The Leapmotor T03 features interior lighting including dome lights and map reading lights for convenience and safety. This video explains how to control these lights, covering both manual controls and smart features. As of 2026, the T03 offers multiple ways to manage interior illumination. The dome light is located in the overhead console of the Leapmotor T03. It features a 3-position switch, off, on, and door activated, also called auto. Off completely disables the light. On keeps the light constantly illuminated. Auto activates the light when doors open and turns it off after 20 seconds or when doors close. The dome light provides general cabin illumination. Map lights are individual LED lamps positioned above each front seat. Each has a push button for toggling on or off. These lights are independent of the dome light and provide focused lighting for reading or other tasks. Press once to turn on, press again to turn off. Newer T03 models from 2025 onwards integrate lighting controls into the 10.25-inch central touchscreen for enhanced convenience. Navigate to Vehicle Settings on the touchscreen to access lighting customization options. Here you can customize lighting profiles, link lights to ambient modes, or enable auto-dimming features. The Leapmotor app provides remote control capabilities for your vehicle's interior lights. Use the app to turn lights on or off remotely, adding convenience for preconditioning your vehicle. The Leapmotor T03 includes an AI assistant that supports voice commands for controlling interior lights. This feature allows hands-free operation, enhancing both convenience and safety while driving. To use voice commands, first ensure the feature is enabled in the vehicle settings. Navigate to the Voice Settings menu on the touchscreen infotainment system. Once enabled, you can use simple voice commands. For example, say turn on reading lights to activate the map lights above the front seats. Other commands include turn off dome light or activate door activated lighting. This hands-free control reduces driver distraction, allowing you to focus on the road. Studies show that voice-activated features minimize cognitive load compared to manual adjustments, contributing to safer driving experiences. If your Leapmotor T03 dome lights fail to auto-disable after opening and closing doors, this is a common issue, often caused by software glitches. To troubleshoot, open the Leapmotor app on your smartphone and check for diagnostic information or error messages related to the lighting system. A firmware update may be required to fix the problem. Check for and install any available updates through the app. Regularly update your vehicle's software to ensure proper functionality of all lighting features and prevent future issues. If the problem continues after these steps, contact a certified Leapmotor dealer for professional assistance. The Leapmotor T03 uses low-power LEDs for interior lights, designed to minimize energy consumption and preserve battery range. However, leaving lights on unnecessarily can still drain the battery over time, reducing your driving range. Be mindful of turning lights off when not needed, especially the dome light when not set to the auto mode that activates only when doors open. Smart features like auto-dimming adjust light intensity based on conditions, further enhancing energy efficiency and battery life. In summary, the Leapmotor T03 offers multiple options for controlling interior lights. Manual switches for dome and map lights, touchscreen controls, app integration, and voice commands. Understanding these controls ensures optimal convenience, safety, and energy efficiency. Remember to keep your T3 software updated for the latest features and fixes.